Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and greetings. My name is Nik Muhammad Muaz bin Muhammad Halmi and I am 22 years old. I am currently pursuing a Bachelor of Arabic Language and Islamic Literature at the Faculty of Major Language Studies, University Sains Islam Malaysia, majoring in Arabic Language. I have strong language skills, especially in Arabic, both in speaking and writing. I possess a solid foundation in Arabic grammar and morphology, which help me teach the language effectively. I can also type in Arabic script using the Arabic keyboard layout, showing my digital literacy. Besides that, I am able to communicate fluently in both Arabic and English, which is useful in multilingual learning environment. For your information, I actively participate in club badminton, and I also have a basic workout and living a healthy lifestyle. These activities help me maintain discipline, teamwork, and consistency in terms of qualities that are important for a teacher. In addition, I am a faithful, responsible, and well-mannered person. I know how to adapt to different work situations, and I can work independently without constant supervision. I always complete my tasks with commitment and sincerity. Therefore, I believe I can be an asset to the school because I am passionate about teaching and sharing knowledge, especially in Arabic. With my language skill, positive attitude, and strong communication abilities, I can help students enjoy learning Arabic and develop moral values. My goal is to create a